Regards. Starting with the activity, I introduce myself. My name is John Alberto Arcos Guerrero. I am 22 years old. I was born in Bogota. Now I am a student at the Business Administration program at UNAD. I am assistant and I work in the University Sergio Arboleda. I like watching movies, listening to music, walking, sleeping, playing with my niece. I live with my mom, my dad, and two sisters. Now, tips to go to Manta. The last vacation I went to Manta is located in Cundinamarca. I stayed there for 3 weeks, and I went with my family to the farm of our grandparents. I like to go because it is cheap. We paid only 200,000 for transportation. I like it because there were many places to visit. For example, the Petaca Lagoon, the cathedral, the Aguasia River, and the sports complex, and I like it a lot. I went back a week ago because I started working last Monday. The weather in Manta. The weather in Manta is very good. Most of the time it is sunny and we can go in any month, but not in June because the weather changes and it becomes very rainy and it is always cloudy. It is recommended to wear sunscreen. 2. It is important that you wear a hat. 3. It is important to take a camera. 4. I recommended that you visit the export complex. 5. It is a good idea to do the walk to the lagoon de Petaca. 6. You must wear tennis to be more comfortable. 7. You must drink a lot of water. 8. It is very important that you revisit Manta. What you should do when you travel to Manta, you should visit the Lagoon de Petaca. You should also visit the cathedral and the river. These places are very nice. When traveling to Manta, you should wear sunscreen and you should not go without a hat. When you go for a walk, you should wear sport shoes and you should wear light clothes. When you travel to Manta, you should not leave the camera because you have to take many pictures. What you should do. You should not travel by car because in Manta the parking lots are very expensive. Traveling by bus is much better. Thanks for your attention. Bye.